Manus AI is actually awesome. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to get through using some of its features. So without further ado, let's do it. Alright, so we are on the homepage or the dashboard over here, and immediately you are met with your text box. You have a bunch of credits that you are given on a free trial, and there's a breakdown of the usage, and you can either use the standard or the high effort reasoning effort. So you can see over here exactly what it means. Of course, in the case of just your normal everyday tasks, standard effort is good enough. Right now high effort is in beta, so we are going to be using the standard. You can do quite a bunch of stuff here. So there are different templates or different community shared user content. So you can see there's a bunch of different things here. One of the nice things that I actually found was the very first one on the left hand side, whereas you can actually turn any type of document into a website. So, you know, in this particular example, they are using Excel spreadsheets and they're turning it into a website, which is great. And you actually get to do this with Manus's computer, right? So you can go ahead and you can actually try this, and all of the documents or tasks that you create, you can actually have it shared with the community as well, which is great if you would like to share that. Let's jump straight in. I'm going to go into a project or a task that I have already completed. And the reason I'm doing this is because, as you can see, there is quite a bit of thinking or reasoning that the agent does. And this was my prompt. You can see over here, that was my initial prompt. So basically, I am looking at summarizing and giving an overview of some data. So as you can see, all of this happened in real time. And in total, there were 7 steps. You can see all of your steps over here. And these 7 steps probably took about 5 to 6 minutes. And that's why I didn't record the entire thing. So this is essentially what happened. So it gives you a breakdown of absolutely everything that you need. And once you are done, you can actually see it says, here is your report. So once this is all complete, it'll actually give you, here it is. I've completed the analysis, and here it all is. So this is the result, okay? It includes all of its sources and everything else. So it's got like a lot going on for it. So it's very, very involved, very, very deep. Let's go ahead and create a new task. Over here, we're going to go and I'm going to just use, for example, I've uploaded a CSV file containing Amazon store sales. I'd like an analysis and a sales performance over the past 12 months. Okay, and here we go. We can see that it's given some additional details, and then you can go ahead and you can actually upload your CSV file. Alright, so I've got the Amazon CSV file over here, and again you can change your reasoning effort over here, but I'm just going to go ahead and click on send, and you can actually see as it is typing, as it is going through, it will be sharing every step of the way with you. One of the other things is done over here, it gives you a timer so you can see how long it's actually taken to complete. And this is just step 1 of 9, so you can see it. All of this still has to be completed. The other thing is you can actually use Manus's computer. So if you just go over here, you can actually open it in VS Code, or you can just open it externally into a browser, which you can go ahead and you can just say use application. So I'm not going to get into that because that is for another video. But once this is complete, you can actually go ahead and you can ask follow-up questions over here. There's so many use cases for Manus, and there's so many different ways that you can really harness all of its capabilities, and honestly, so much more. If this video was insightful, please do drop us a like. Let us know what you think in the comment section. We'll see you again.